Welcome. This is Monty from BPL Surveillance Equipment. I want to say Happy New Year's to everyone. I hope you made it home safely and intact. If you celebrated, hope you celebrated it obviously in a manner where you can afford to get up and watch this video. So if you're watching the video, the live session here or the playback, then that means you're obviously alive and well, hopefully. I just want to say that everyone should have a happy and prosperous new year. Let's try to be open-minded. Let's try to be accepting of each other. Let's try to get rid of all divisiveness that plagued us for the last, who knows, 10, 20, 30 years or something, if not more. What we can do is embrace and reach out and help and pull up each other, okay? We're entering a new phase where we're going to be taking a look at the potential of being more empathetic towards each other. In other words, I want to feel the pain and the hunger of the people and the undeveloped countries. I want to understand the plight of the people who are in those desperate situations without a mother and a father. I want to have some sort of ability to understand the plight of the others, the Indians, for instance, where the oil barons are trying to take their oil. So let's try to establish interconnectedness, unlike the internet right now. We have a super internet, the human internet. Let's try and see if we can tap into that and reach out and talk to and communicate and feel. We have to have this a better emotional connection, I think, to each other. That's probably what's been plaguing us for a long, long time. Having said all that, the Bitcoin has breached $1,000, y'all. For you early evangelists, for you people you risk takers, you technologists, you people who rebel against the Federal Reserve and the power mongers and the bureaucrats in Washington. For those of you who have stayed the course and have hung in there and understood that the fiat currencies are imploding literally all around us, for you who understand that the current monetary and financial system is causing and has caused financial slavery and has looted us of our means to earn a living. Hats off to all of you, and give yourself a big pat on the back, open up a bottle of champagne or something, jump up in the shower, whatever you need to do a cartwheel, because it looks like we've breached $1,000. That has been a psychological barrier for a long, long time, and psychological barriers when it comes to trading assets, stocks, commodities, and such. That simply means that, for a long, long time, people didn't have the conviction. There wasn't the demand. There wasn't the full support of the investors and the risk takers and the people who need to use Bitcoin, for instance, to push it up above that level. But we've pushed it up above $1,000, $1,001 and something cents, to be exact, to be somewhat exact. So anyway, hats off again. Congratulations. If you need to take some profits, take a little bit of profits, leave something on the table so that you can continue to reap the benefits. But it looks like we're proving we have an alternative currency. We have an alternative payment and financial system that's emerging in the central bankers and the Federal Reserve people who are literally collapsing the current system. They cannot push Bitcoin under the rug. They cannot unplug it. They cannot put their foot on it and crush it. If they could have, they would have, and they can't, so they ain't, and they won't, basically. So deal with it, okay? Too much interest coming out of China. They're sending tens of billions of dollars out of China into every other country where they can get access to something stable and reliable, and they're using Bitcoin. The people in Italy, as I mentioned before in other live videos, the people in Italy with the bail-ins and the bailouts, the people in Venezuela, with the wheelbarrows of cash just to buy bread, to the people in India who wake up one morning and find out that their fiat currency has been literally destroyed and demonetized. To the people who are in Cyprus, all of you guys, thank you for understanding and taking advantage of putting some money into Bitcoin, send it out of the country, hide it, do whatever you need to do, but get your money out of out of this financial enslavement based system and get it into Bitcoin, get it onto the blockchain, send it somewhere, hide it, password protected, but understand we have an alternative currency, and we're going to take back our financial freedom, okay, one way or the other. So again, hats off. Do your champagne, do your dance, do a few cartwheels on me, okay? You guys have fun and Happy New Year's. Thanks. Take care. Bye.